Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes always shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen?
I'm back with a wig from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that is, I don't know if y'all can see that, that is Beauty Forever. I have been ordering hair from Beauty Forever for years now, so I have a feeling that I'm gonna like whatever is in this. Speaking of boxes, please, when you go down there and look at the description box for a direct link to this wig, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, y'all. I'm trying to hit this 70K. And I'm almost there. So all I did was take this out of its FedEx packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig comes in this nice little bowling bag storage case that I love. I love these more than the hard boxes because these are easier to store and transport to me. So I do love the storage bag. Then it comes with a silk storage case as well. And inside of here we have some things as well. Inside of here we have some HD wig caps, an edge band with their name on it, and an edge brush with a removable or replaceable head. So that's cool. Now for this wig, y'all know that I'm always looking for something that's easy and affordable, and this wig that I saw on Beauty Forever I knew was easy and affordable. This is one of Beauty Forever's Bye Knots 7x5 lace wigs, which equals easy, super beginner friendly. It is 24 inches long and it is a water wave. It does not get any easier than that. Let's take it out of this packaging so we can look at the cap construction up close. Beauty Forever also included some Bye Knots tabs as well. All right, so y'all know I can't comb hair. So when I get a wig that's already pre-done, like baby hair's already done, already plucked, everything is done, like I automatically get excited because yes. Look how pretty these waves are. This is the type of wig that's a throw on and go for me because all I have to do is wet this and I can head out the door. As far as the cap construction, there's that 7x5 parting space that you get. We also get an adjustable glueless band, but the part that I love the most is the drawstring. The drawstring is my favorite thing on these wigs because it really makes the wig feel secure to my head. They've also given us some adjustable straps and a comb at the back. So this is a beginner's dream. This is a wig wearer's dream because it's gonna be so easy right out of the pack. How pretty is that, y'all? Yeah, I think that this one is gonna be a winner. All I'm gonna have to do is wet this. Y'all know I'm gonna try to put some half up, half down because that's the only way I can comb hair. Doing a little, side cock ponytail at the top. All right, let's put this on my head. I'll give you a 360 and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes always shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar. Close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Story goes, brown sugar You got me open, now I want some more. Always down for a menage a trois, but I think I'm here to solo. All my niggas don't pop. Stick out my tongue and I'm already hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Alright, y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and as y'all know, I absolutely love it. Water wave is my favorite, the 7x5 is my favorite, this length is my favorite, being able to pull it half up, half down is my favorite. So this wig is a 10 out of 10 for me. Beauty Forever knocked this one out of the park. This is the type of wig that I feel like you need in your arsenal, whether you are a beginner, whether you are a wig pro. This is just like a throw on and go of wigs. There are a lot of units out there that say beginner friendly or even glueless, and it's not. Okay, with Beauty Forever, everything that they claim about this wig is very true. This one is affordable, good quality, beginner friendly, so it checks all the boxes in my book. This is what I can definitely recommend. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put all the details about this one that I got. But I also put their social medias down there so you can go on their website and look around, because like I said, this one is a winner, most definitely. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit, because I'm in love. This is one you'll probably see in the upcoming clothing haul because it was just that easy. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes always shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar.